Hello and welcome to the virtual math with the Parkland GEARUP tutor, Mr. Soto. So I'm so excited to bring you guys and teach you about factoring binomials. But you guys might be thinking, what is a binomial or what exactly that means? So what a binomial is, it just basically means an equation with two terminologies as the examples I provided right here. So factoring binomials is when you multiply two sets of binomials together. So as kind of the example right here is when you multiply them together. So at first it seems difficult, but as long as you follow these easy rules, you can go ahead and solve any factoring binomials easily without any hesitations. So the rule is called FOIL. F stands for first, O stands for the outside, I inside, and L last. So we can go ahead and practice it. Keeping up with FOIL, right? So this is our example here. X plus 2 times x plus 7. So let's do the first and the outside. So you have here x, which is going to be the first, times x, and then x times 7, which will be the outside, which will give you x over 2 plus 7x. This is going to be the first part of the solution, which is going to still keep it on the side. Then moving on, we're going to go ahead and do the second part, which is going to be the I and the L, which is the inside and the last. So now you're going to go ahead and take the 2 multiply times x and 2 times 7, which is the inside and outside, and should give you 2x plus 14. Now that you go ahead have these two parts, you can actually go ahead and add them together, otherwise known as simplifying. You're going to make it more simple. You're going to combine like terms. So now that we have both of these solutions, we're going to go ahead and combine like terms, which is going to be the 7x plus 2x, which will give you x over 2 plus 9x plus 14. And this is your final answer. There's nothing else you have to do. You're okay, and this can be the answer. Most of the time, we're going to go ahead and do another example. So here we have example 3x plus 5, x plus 2. So remembering this, we're going to go ahead and do the inside. We're going to do FOIL, right? So it's going to be f first, which is going to be 3x times this one right here, x, so we can follow the arrow. So that should give us 3x squared. Then go ahead and do the outside, which is going to be 3x times 2, which should give us 6x. Moving on, we're going to go ahead and do the inside, which is going to be here, just keeping on with our arrows. Then we do 5x, and then 5 times 2, which is 10. So now it gives us this kind of mess right here. So a little clicking here. Now that you have this mess right here, you have this equation, go ahead and start combining or adding the like terms. For example, 6x plus 5x, that's like, so you can go ahead and combine those two. There's no number 10 here, there's no other x squared, so you can go ahead and just combine those two, and it should give you this nice equation right here. 3x over 2 plus 11x plus 10, and that's your answer. You don't have to do anything further. I know it's kind of it could be difficult, but it comes with practice. So go ahead and log into tutor.com. You guys can use other sources like Google, search some examples, and just keep practicing and practicing and practicing. And the more you guys see it and get comfortable with it, you guys are going to become more and more faster and more efficient in solving these problems. But it's all about practice, and I wish you the best of luck, guys. And if you guys need anything, just go ahead and log into tutor.com again. Talk to a tutor. They can go ahead and give you examples, clarify something that you guys are still kind of foggy on, or you need additional help. You can go ahead and use tutor.com, which will be an amazing source. Thank you.